Today we're gonna talk about 5 Swedish words that will mess with your brain. So you think you know English, huh? Well, Sweden is here to throw a linguistic pie in your face. Today, I've got 5 Swedish words that sound perfectly normal, but mean something totally different. Get ready to get confused and hungry and maybe slightly offended. Let's go. Word number 1. Bra. Yep, you heard me. Bra. Now, in English it holds your dignity, but in Swedish, bra just means good. That's it. Like, det är bra. It is good. No lace, no straps, just vibes. Word number 2. Glass. In English, a cup. In Sweden, a cold, creamy delight from the gods. Jag vill ha glass. I want ice cream. So, if a Swede offers you glass, do not start looking for your dishwasher. Just say yes and grab a spoon. Word number 3. Semester. Sounds like midterm and crying into your ramen, right? Wrong. In Sweden, semester equals vacation. Jag ska på semester. I'm going on vacation. So while you were stressing over group projects, Swedes are out sipping pina coladas in Mallorca. Word number 4. Fart. I know you're already laughing, but in Sweden, fart doesn't stink, it zooms. It means speed. Bilen har hög fart. The car is going fast. So if you see a sign that says Sluta farta, no, Sweden is not shaming you, they're just reminding you to slow down. Word number 5. Slut. Okay, deep breath. The Swedish pronunciation is slut. In Swedish, slut means end or finished. Filmen är slut. The movie is over. So if a Swede says, I am slut, relax, they're not confessing a scandal. They're just done with the task, or with you, who knows. And there you have it. 5 Swedish words that prank your English brain. Which one had you doing a double take? Tell me in the comments. Smash that like button like a confused tourist. Subscribe for more language chaos. And hit that bell like it's an IKEA alarm clock. Till then, hej då!